Hi, Danny. My name's Corey. Brenda told me to send this screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how you can actually outrank your competition, as well as drawing more quality traffic to your website. I got your site pulled up here. A few things I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Really beefing this up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. You need enough content in there so that way you can layer other keywords on what you're actually trying to be found for. Usually the person with the most content at the end of the day usually wins as well. Even these images, what they're saved as, it's all matters. And it got download one. You can actually put keywords back there, and that'll make a huge difference with your ranking. If I just go straight inside of Google and type in AC Repair Orlando FL, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees. These are actually brand new to Google. They came up with these to try and get away from these old school traditional ads, which are, they usually, pop in quite a few spammy calls in there. So they came up with these to help weave out some of those spammy calls. It's just another foreign paid advertisement, really. Even so, some of these actually cost like $47. So if I just click on that, that's $47. I'll see if you're running ads later on. Anyway, so if you go underneath the ad section, you're going to run into this little map area. This little map area, to get the rankings here, you're going to deal with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with a business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that our competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath that, this map section, we have all the organic rankings. Really, this, to get on that first page of Google, comes down to that authoric content that's on your first page, being found for them keywords, and a high authoric backlinks. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I go and take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. We got a 57 referring domains, which is pushing back 616 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had 2.3K backlinks. Here's your journey with your backlinking here. You got a 124 keywords you're being found for, and out of these keywords, you got 22 clicks on average to your website. This PPC stands for pay per click, so it looks like you are running ads as well. I don't know if you're running any like TV, radio ads, or just those ones. But these 22 clicks, we can actually see where those are actually coming from. You got Sunshine Heating and Air. Gosh, got your name for these. Okay. AC Conditioning Parts. AC Guys Orlando. Free AC check. Air conditioning. HVAC supply. Hang on. Orlando Air Conditioning. There we go. There's 90 clicks every month. There's in your 44th position. This tells me the position and the how much traffic you're actually getting for each keyword. And I'm just looking for those buying intent keywords like AC Repair Orlando reviews. No, I'm not looking for. I guess that could be HVAC Orlando FL. There you go. There's 100 clicks every single month. Anyway, so let me show you one of your competitions, one of your competitors, what they're doing. This is Dell Air. So they have a lot of different areas here. So I just took their Orlando area, and if I stick it inside of Ahrefs, I just want to show you what they're actually ranking for. AC Repair Orlando FL, there's 200 clicks every single month. The traffic that they're getting for that one keyword, 70 clicks every month, their first position. So these are really good keywords to be ranking for. AC Repair Orlando, 600 clicks. Air Conditioning Repair Orlando, 200 clicks. 8, there's 1,000 clicks just for those three keywords alone, and they're getting a lot of traffic from that as well. You can go down and cherry pick all these keywords and use these keywords, and also high authoric backlinks, content as well. That's anyway. So if you see any value in anything that I went over, I would love a free custom game plan and help you to get there. Feel free to reach out to me. Tell me how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks.